What's the biggest mistake you've ever made in this business, if you care to share?
Well, my biggest mistake actually probably happened not too long ago. I had a GC that a general contractor that we paid him everything, and we've got lien waivers on everything. And I mean, I think it's because he was a con man that somehow we missed not getting lien waivers, and he didn't pay any of his subs. So I think I had a $600,000 build out, and now I'm negotiating settlements in court right
Wow.
now for the whole amount because he didn't pay his subs. Like I mean, I paid him. He didn't do what he was supposed to do, so I'm paying basically for a build out twice. But
Mhm.
at this point in my life, taking a $600,000 hit is different than if I had 2 or 3 stores. I mean, we're not going anywhere. It's not going to bankrupt us. It's not. I
Mhm.
mean, I'm not really going to do anything. Like I said, I'm even buying another building going through this.
Right.
So, I mean, if this would have happened to me 5 years ago, it would have been detrimental. At this point,
Mhm. Mhm.
it's shitty. I mean, I don't like it.
Right.
But I would also say probably the biggest mistake I also made was waiting too long. Like, when you go to start a business, like you're waiting for something that's perfect, and it's never going to be perfect. So you just got to start. You
Right.
got to find some B's and start rolling. Like
Right.
you're not going to find an A, because if there was an
Right.
A, someone that already was doing it already got it.
Yeah. Right. Right. You can't wait for perfect because that's
You're
not
not going to
happening.
get perfect being new. You're not. Like I said,
Yeah.
you don't come out. You don't step with a plate in the major leagues and hit a dinger your first at bat.
Right. Right.
I mean, it's probably happened, but
Yeah. It's
I'd
it's
say
rare. Yeah.
the probability is low.